YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy J Hemp, man. I'm back with a brand new video for y'all, man. A brand new sneaker pickup video at that. This is what everybody been waiting on, man. That Black Friday release, them Black Cat 4s. Yeah, this one went crazy. It did exactly what I thought they were gonna do, sell out. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. Let's get into it. First up, I'm gonna show y'all the box. Here you go. Black on black with the speckle design on the box just for the Black Cats. Like I always say, man, we is not rocking the box, so it really don't matter to me. But let's get to the main part, the main thing. Here you go, the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. So here's a close-up look at the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. As you can see, black on black, all over the shoe. Nike really did their thing on these. Like, I really like these, like for real, for real. All black. And you know it can go with everything. Just check them out. You can see the Nike on the back. Black upper, white logo at the bottom. Like no cap. These look real good in person. A lot of people say these look ashy and this and that. But to me, looking at them, they look black to me, man. No ashiness at all. And so you got the black upper, the new buck. Look like I got a little mark right there, but it's all good. You got the shiny black midsole with the black bottoms with the white Nike logo at the bottom. Even on the back, you got the Nike Air on the back, on the heel tab. You got the black netting on the side with the black laces, with the gray Jumpman on the tongue. And it's also on the same thing on the other side as well. Nike Air on the back. White logo at the bottom. Black upper. Black netting on the side with the black laces. The gray Jumpman on the tongue. Shiny black midsole. And even on the inside, you got the Nike Air. Let's see if I can show y'all. Yeah, the Nike Air. Let me see. You can see it right there. Nike Air. But yeah, man, clean shoe overall, black on black. I really like these. So these released on Black Friday, and you know how crazy Black Friday be when it comes to sneaker releases. So these sold out instantly. I put in Raffle on Nike, other retail stores, and then win not one. But I was lucky enough to end up still getting these. Somebody didn't come claim they Raffle, or didn't come pick up their shoe. And luckily it was my size, so, you know, thank God. Because I didn't want to miss out on these. I already took a L last time that these came out. I was thinking that these was going to sit and get marked down and either get, you know, go on sale or hit the Nike outlet, but I was completely wrong. These sold out instantly, and then the prices started shooting up to like $400, $500, $600, and I'm not paying that price for no shoe, not no all black shoe at that. Like, now I'm at a point in my life where if I can get it at retail or below retail, but all that paying them crazy high price, I'm not doing it no more for sneakers. But yeah, I ain't want to take that chance again. So like I said, I had to get these first day out. First day. I ain't want to wait and for price to go up or down. I ain't want to go through that house. Like I said, I really just go on to bite the bullet, pay retail, and be done with it. But yeah, like I said, I couldn't miss out. I couldn't miss out on these. Like I said, this is the first time I ever owned a Black Cat shoe. It would have been my second time owning a Black Cat Jordan, but when I had got my Black Cat 3s from the Nike, you know, they kind of sent me a messed up pair. Like, my paint in the back of my 3s was missing. I don't know if I still got the video or picture of my shoe, but if I do, I will post it right here so y'all can see. But I wasn't going for that, so I sent it back, got my money back, and I just took a L on that. And then as far as this shoe, man, I hear a lot of people on YouTube, you know, around social media saying that these shoes squeak. So I'm finna give it a test. So I don't know if you can hear that. I'm bringing it closer to my mic so y'all can hear it. Yeah, they do squeak, but it's not as people hyping it up to be. Now, most people say they might squeak when you wear them. So when I try them on and do my own foot, I'm gonna see if they squeak or not. But I don't think it ain't bothering me now. It might bother me if they squeaking while I walk now. I'm gonna be kind of upset because, like, come on, Jordan, you gotta do better on that. But overall, I just think it's just the plastic or the material of the shoe that making it squeak. Now, if you tie your shoes up real tight now, they might squeak even more loud or even more. I mean, I don't know. I don't really tie my shoes like that for real. So hopefully it don't be as, squeaky or whatever. But y'all YouTubers are just hyping it up, man. It ain't as bad as what y'all saying. But yeah, y'all did y'all thing on this though, Nike. I wonder what this is on my shoe though. Factory. But yeah, I really can't spot the difference between this year's pair and the last release. Like, I don't have the last release to really do a comparison, but I can tell you one thing that is different though. The Nike Air is on these, and the last release they had the Jumpman. And y'all know how I feel about the Nike or the Jumpman logo. I really don't care what logo they put on these. You can go Jordan or you go Nike. Long as the shoe look good, it really don't bother me. It's the same thing anyway. And then I think as far as like the tongue on this one is it's not as thick as the last release tongue on those. And people saying these are ashy. And the other ones, the last release are more blacker than these, but in person these look more black. Like, it don't look no ash or nothing to me. But I ain't really complaining though. Like I say, I like them. So it is what it is. But yeah, man, before I get into this on foot, man, y'all let me know in the comments, man. Did you end up grabbing the Black Cat 4s? Or did you end up passing up on them? Or you got last release, or you didn't want this release? Or you got both of them? Just let me know how y'all feeling about these, man. Y'all didn't like them? Y'all think they too plain, too ashy, or too squeaky? Y'all let me know, man. Like I say, I like them. I mean, I think they look good. I think Nike did their thing on these. Or y'all waiting on the next release, which is the Gamma 11s. Now, I know them gonna go crazy because the whole world been talking about Gamma this, Gamma that. But I'm cool on the Gammas, man. I was cool on them the last time they came out. But I will do a YouTube short for those Gamma 11s. So y'all be on the lookout for that. But other than that, it's your boy J Hump, and I'm gone, man. Peace.